Okay, today I'll explain about brochure design. Yesterday, uh, so I explained you about the settings and guidelines, how to make the guides and all. Okay, settings and all, about page settings and all. So today I'll explain about the design, how to design. Okay, so this is the first phrase. Don't forget, the blue is the first phrase and this red is a fourth phrase. Okay, so now I'm decorating the first page. For that, we want some reference images and client provided images and some text, okay, to fill with the first page. For that, already I have references images. Okay, so I'm going to design a chocolate company, chocolate or brown chocolate. Okay, so this is a chocolate, and we have to keep in separate pages. So suppose in first page, in page 1, which thing you have to decorate, so which things I have to fill in first page, so those items you can include in first page. So, and suppose page 2, the things which I have to add in that page, I'll keep in a separate folder. Then the third page, these things will come. Okay, in the fourth page I'm using this. So for the 4 pages we have to keep your reference images and the client provided images and the text. What are the things we are going to fill in separate pages? Okay, we have to keep them in a folders, separate wise, page wise. Okay, yeah, for that so I'm using this first page. Here what I'll do, so I'm using this open with the Photoshop. So I'm using this is my logo. First I'll drag this logo into my page. Okay, after that we can just delete that, and again I'm using this texture. Okay, yes, then you can include into your page. Okay, and we can delete this, and again I'm using this picture, suppose this. Okay, I'm using this into page. Now you can delete this also. Yes, now to fill in first page we have 3 items. Okay, so this is a picture, so make it model, model, model. Okay, so these pictures and these backgrounds, already I edited in Photoshop. Okay, so I removed backgrounds and I changed into PNG format because I want to remove unnecessary the background colors. Okay, so I deleted all the backgrounds and convert into PNG images, and color correction also already I done the color correction. Okay, because it is going to it's going for printing. So before adding into design, we have to give the bit color correction to improve the picture quality. Okay, and the resolution also already checked the resolution. So resolution must be in 300 because it is using for printing. Okay, so resolution also checked. So after doing all, so I import into your page in a brochure template. Okay, now one by one I want to use this. Suppose yeah, first I'll use this logo, Control T. So you can use this logo anywhere, the top or bottom of the picture. For time being I'm keeping here. Okay, that's it. And now what I'll do, I want to use this picture. Suppose get this picture. Okay, get this picture. Here it is. Okay, and make it bit shorter. Control T and make it a bit shorter. Okay. Yes. And then there is a some cut here. So actually these kind of pictures, so don't accept for the design. Suppose you have to make it clear. Okay, so you have to add this by how we add. Suppose here I'll add the healing brush tool. Take this, and with Alt you can get this, and here I'll try to add Control Z, because with the paintbrush I'll give the touch-ups faster. So for that I'll take the eyedropper tool. Okay, make the brush tool smaller. Brush tool smaller, and I'm going to use this. Okay, otherwise Control Z, Control Alt Z. So I'll use some texture kind of a brush. I'll try to use. So from brush, yeah, I'll try to use this brush. Okay, and now drag with the add this color. We are matching with the hair color, because okay, and now add the other shades. Just give the shades, other shades. Suppose if you use a vacuum tablet for this case, so it can be very nice. Okay, now take this color and down the opacity. So down the opacity. Okay, and take this color, because if it is a regular nice picture, so no need to edit all these things, because it is a not proper picture. So that is the reason we are giving these touch-ups and editing. Yes, almost it is. So don't forget, whenever you want to give some kind of touch-ups and corrections, color correction and editing things, it is better to zoom the size and use this, because with zoom only the people won't find your corrections. Yes, suppose this is my corrections I'm going to give for this picture. Okay, and if you want you can use suppose smudge tool also. With this smudge tool you can add more perfection. It look like a real hair. Okay, so this is that's it. Okay, so modified the picture, and then what I'm doing, so now on this, so this is very big, make it Control T. Okay, so make it Control T. You can reduce this size. You can reduce this size. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes. I use this. It's pouring the liquid chocolate, hot chocolate liquid. It is so coming down. Okay. So over on that, so I'm going to give some text. Depends on the photograph and photograph mode, model mode, expression. So I'm giving something. The text will be like there is a eyedropper tool. I'll use this color, and I'm giving some text. So the text will be actually for doing this in advertising agencies. There are copywriters, so they will create the captions and all. Okay, for timing we use our copywriting. So I'm giving yes, I'm going to give suppose AHIS. This can CHANG. This can change your this tempting taste can change your mood. Yes, this tempting 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 taste TASTE. This tempting taste can change your mood. Can 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 change your mood. Okay, so here I'm using caps. This tempting taste TE. So I'm giving the caps. TASTE. Tempting taste can change your change your mode. This tempting test can this tempting test can change your mode. Okay, so suppose this is my text. Yes, this is there. Okay, now there is a see, we cross this safe area. Okay, even if you cross this safe area for this background textures and all, so no need to worry, because after printing in machine, they'll cut, the printer can cut this area including this green, this also will cut. Okay, let's go out, the remaining part it includes that. Even if you want to if you want to reduce this, you can reduce this even now also. Yes, suppose, yes, okay, this is, and here also you can, otherwise you can make it automatically, it goes in cutting. Okay, so make it Control Z, otherwise can include this. Okay, so this is your area, should not cross this. Should not cross this. Okay, so this is your and at folding. Okay, so it is close, very close to the folding area. Okay, it is already attached to folding area, so when you fold it, it includes in the folding. Okay, so background textures and all you can include, no problem, no issue, but the important text or important elements don't include into that corner. So okay, yes, now what I'll do, yeah, my logo, I want to move this logo here. Yes, this is, move this. Okay, this is my logo. First I'll reduce this size of the logo. Okay, this you can Control T, make it smaller. Yes, because I want some place for the logo. Yes, I'm using here. Okay, make down. Okay, now take this logo, suppose you can place in that also. You can place an a model. Okay, so I'll try to change more on that, and I'll keeping this. Okay, and the text can move here, and move this logo here. Okay, make it Control T. Okay, and now what I'll do, I'll try to give some effects, layer styles to this, because it's not showing. Okay, I'll try to do the different options. So okay, distance and size also you can change, and try to give the drop shadow distance. Okay, and try to add the bevel and emboss also. I think this bevel is embossing is working nicely. Let's try to remove the drop shadow. Yes, I don't want a drop shadow, but bevel and emboss I'm using. Yes, so I'll use emboss effect. Emboss effect. Yes, and try to change this depths and all, and you can understand how you want actually. I think this is okay. Yes, okay, then minimize this. Yeah, this is really good. Now check all these things, should not cross these things. Okay, it is the green area is for the cutting marks, bleed area. Okay, and this is your safe area. Okay, so here we cross the safe area. That means what? Extra the background we include into design, so automatically when they cut that, they go up. Okay, so up to here they'll cut, and this area, the below the green area, is printable. Okay, this green area is not coming into a printer. Okay, and try to give any colors changes and all. So here suppose this tempting taste can change your mode. Yeah, this text is okay, so my text color is okay. Okay, yeah, I'll do one thing. Otherwise what I'll do, you can rasterize this type of. Okay, this is rasterized, and then what I'll do, I'll use some filters of here. In filters, the liquify I'm trying to use this liquify. Okay, but here there is a text. Okay, so with the hand you drag this, you can add the zoom. Okay, and this, how we use this finger tool. I'm trying to give the liquidity. I'm trying to give because it is a chocolate. So I'm doing this. I'm doing this for so look like a liquidity. I'm adding the liquidity, just it is the liquidity portion I'm adding here. Okay, so don't give modifications a lot, more modifications. Okay, just if you give extra modifications, the meaning may change. Just okay, suppose if you say it is okay, okay. Now it is adding. Now see your text, this tempting test can change your mode. Then here also you can give some bevel and emboss. Okay, bevel and emboss, or you can try with the drop shadow also. Okay, so you can try with the options, so different options. So emboss and pillow emboss also you can use. Okay, now if you see this, it is tempting chocolate liquidity added to the text. Okay, so then I'll try to add the drop shadow also here. Okay, so this is okay. The drop shadows always be down. Okay, and if you see this, now it has a nice chocolate form created, and but it should be very important if it is readable or not. So that is the reason in print size you have to check actual print size, you have to check. Still it is readability is there. This TEMPT and tempting test can change your mode. Okay, this is okay, nice. Now what I'll do, I'll try to add something to this model also. Suppose give some effects, so okay, otherwise some drop shadow you can add. Okay, in drop shadow add the distance. Yes, suppose lighting is coming from this direction, So shadow must be in opposite direction. Yes, here, but the size will be, so distance is, this is okay, and size will be smoother, should be a smooth effect, not very sharp. Yes, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, and then say okay. Then say okay. Now try to give the color. Suppose here we have to fill with the product colors. So within the environment colors, within the same colors we have to use. For that, what I'll do, I'll choose this color. Suppose this lighter color here, or otherwise take any other colors. Yeah, try with this color. Okay, any dark colors, or otherwise I use this color. Okay, and then use your magic pen tool. Okay, and click on the click on the only this area, background. Okay, and alt backspace. Yes, perfect. Now control D. Okay, so I added control D, and here now see this is the page, first page is created in this. Okay, and here if you want to add any text you can add. Generally for the front page of the brochure, the main caption, the catchy caption can be there. So this tempting taste can change your mood. So this is what the bonbon chocolates actually. So we have to write this bonbon chocolates. So BON bon CHO LATES bonbon chocolates. Okay, you can get this layer. Okay, so this is bonbon chocolates. Yeah, bonbon CHO chocolates. Yes, I want to decrease this size. Control D, control T. Yes, you can drag this here. You can drag this here. Now this this and this chocolate logo, you can combinedly select and control T and make it smaller. Make it smaller. Bonbon chocolates. Yes. Now you can check with the print size. Yeah, in print size the visibility must be there. Yes, this is good, but maintain some distance here. Okay, so this is the bonbon chocolates, and change this here to maintain the some distance. This tempting taste can change your mood. Okay, so this is the bonbon chocolates. Okay, and you can print size, you can make it control S Okay. Okay, so this you can, if you want to include any textures and all for the background, so you can include just for that with the magic pen tool. You can use this magic pen tool and come here and try to apply some texture. Okay, but it is applying for entire thing, cancel. Okay. We have to separately to paste this. So for what I'll do, just Control X and paste in a separate layer. Okay, so Control Shift V. Okay, so this is separated. Now you can apply the texture. So apply the texture. If you like this texture, you can keep this, or otherwise you can remove that. So there are different textures are there. You can use whichever you want, or otherwise go here and check with the artistic surfaces. From there can use. Anyway, I don't like this texture, just make it cancel. Yes. Okay, so Control S again. So this is your brochure first page. Okay, so tomorrow the fourth page I'll explain how to design this. Okay, you also can practice, it's very easy. Okay, thank you.